current. Hi, this is Joe and welcome back to the shop. In this video we're going to do a product comparison between two battery chargers. The Battery Tender Junior and the Harbor Freight Cen-Tech charger. Both these chargers are called float chargers or maintenance chargers. The Battery Tender Junior sells for around $30 to $39 depending on where you purchase it. The Harbor Freight Cen-Tech charger sells for normally $9.99, right around $10. I picked this one up on sale for around $5. Both these chargers have reverse polarity protection, meaning that if you hitch the leads up backwards, you're not going to damage the battery or the chargers. The Harbor Freight battery charger comes with one cable configuration. It comes with alligator clips, and the Battery Tender Junior comes with two cable configurations. It comes with alligator clips, an inline fuse, and it has a built-in quick disconnect. It also comes with a set of eyelet connectors that allow for a more permanent installation to the posts on the battery. The Harbor Freight charger does not have the inline fuse. If you wanted to, you could snip the wires and wire in and solder your own inline fuse and or the eyelet connectors for a more permanent installation. Both these chargers have different stages of charging depending on the state of the battery. For example, the Harbor Freight battery, and this is according to the specs that come with both chargers. The Cen-Tech charger has two different modes, and again, this is an interpretation. There's not much in the documentation on the Harbor Freight, but I've done some testing, and the results or the stages are pretty much what I've surmised from watching the battery charger at work. If the battery is 0 to 80%, it's going. Both chargers are going to go into a constant current mode of charging until the battery gets up to, let's say, 80 to 100%. At that point, the Cen-Tech charger will go into a higher voltage, less amperage mode. And then at some point when the battery gets up close to 100 to 103%, the charger will go into a maintenance mode. The red light just indicates continuity to the battery and or that the battery is charging. The Battery Tender Junior has 4 different stages of charging. The first stage is an initialization where it goes in and makes sure the battery the battery charger is connected properly to the battery. It determines the percentage of charge, and then the second stage it goes into if the battery is between 0 and 80%, it will go into a constant current charging mode, and that's at 750 milliamps. The voltage, again, is not fixed. The current is fixed. And then at that point, the second stage is if the battery is between 80 and 100%, it will go into a higher voltage and around 14.4 volts. You'll see that in the video segments ahead where I've done the actual testing. The light on the Battery Tender Junior will change depending upon which stage the charger's in. It will it'll be flashing red in the first 2 stages. In the third stage, where it's in the higher voltage, it will be a flashing green. Then the final stage, it will go into a low voltage, low current mode, and that is the float mode or maintenance mode. The battery charger will keep the battery charged. The light will go steady green when it's in this maintenance or float mode. The Harbor Freight charger doesn't appear to have multiple modes like the Battery Tender Junior does, but it does go when the battery is approximately between 0 and 80%, and this is something I'm just using. The instructions don't go into this detail, but I'm making some assumptions. 0 to 80%, it will go into a constant current charge mode, and that's going to be right around 400 milliamps. And then at that point, from 80 to 100%, it's going to go into a mode similar to the Battery Tender Junior, and that's going to be a higher voltage mode, and that's going to be like at 13.2 volts. Now, there's no specs at all in the documentation for the Harbor Freight on what the final maintenance mode voltage and current is, but I'm assuming it's going to be similar to the Battery Tender Junior, a lower voltage and a lower current that will cycle and keep the battery at 100 to 103%. Same thing with the Battery Tender Junior. So what we'll do now is I have some video segments that goes into testing. I have two batteries. I have this battery right here. It's been charged. It's not in maintenance mode yet, but it's almost in maintenance mode. Then I have another battery that I've purposely not charged for quite some time. The state of charge is somewhat less than this battery, and you'll get a chance to see the actual voltage and amperage readings during testing of these two batteries. So stay tuned for the other video segments. We have our meter set up for DC volts, and we're going to come in and we're going to take a surface voltage check. And as you can see looking at the meter, this particular battery, this is a gel cell battery, and it is at 12.98 volts. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to attach the Battery Tender Junior on, and we'll take some voltage readings and some amperage readings. Here we have the Battery Tender attached to the battery. This battery is maybe 80 to 100% charged. Notice the Battery Tender Junior is flashing green. So that means that it's not quite in maintenance mode yet. It's in the 80 to 100% state of charge mode, which will give us a higher voltage. So let's go ahead and take a reading. Okay. Notice we're getting a 14.5, 14.45. So this matches the documentation for the Battery Tender Junior, indicating that we're in the 80 to 100% flashing green light mode, which gives us a low current, fairly high voltage at 14.4. So let's go ahead and put the meter in amperage mode and check out what the meter is going to tell us. Here we have the Battery Tender Junior attached to the battery in amperage mode. Notice the Battery Tender Junior is flashing. In the previous video segment we saw that the voltage was 14.4, around 14.45. So in this case we are in a the 80 to 100% stage, where we're getting a higher voltage, 14.4, and we're getting little or no current. So we're in the latter, one of the latter stages before the final float mode, which will cause a green, steady green light, which will be a storage mode. So this battery is fairly charged. We're just about in maintenance mode. The voltage is 14.4 as we indicated, and the amperage is very, very minute. So that's the Battery Tender Junior. Let's now take a look at the Harbor Freight charger. Let's attach the voltmeter now to the battery with the Harbor Freight charger on. And as you can see, we're about 13.38 volts, which is very close in line to what the specs, they're saying 13.2. So right in line. We have the Harbor Freight Cen-Tech charger now attached to the battery. In amperage mode, notice the red light is constant, so that means the battery charger is plugged in and attached to a battery properly. If reverse polarity was installed on the battery, the light would go out. Or if it wasn't connected properly to the battery, the light would go out. So the red light is shining, so that means we do have voltage and current to the battery charger, and the battery is attached properly. And if you notice, we're right around 100, let's let it settle down here. It's sitting around 105, 103, 101 milliamps. So